Hey guys, my name is Paul. Welcome to the Sunward Hobbies YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at some of the kits releasing for this Saturday. And every single one of them are big Warhammer Horus Heresy releases. So we have this rhino right here, now in plastic actually. They used to be in resin. Then we have this tank, completely new. It's pretty big actually. Look forward to my kit. But that's not what we're taking a look at. Today we're taking a look at this Age of Darkness box. It's enormous, completely in plastic before it was in resin. And yeah, we're gonna be unboxing this later. Alright guys, let's unbox this thing. And just to let you know, Horus Heresy used to be purely resin. Now, this is now the launch of the new plastic kits. And I'm assuming there's more to come. Now I'm assuming this is for the actual game, like this, it has measurements on it by inches, I'm assuming. So yeah, this is for definitely the game. Like I don't play Horus Heresy, I only play 40k, so I'm not too sure, I'm not too familiar with it. But anyway, if you're wondering if this is like a bang for your buck, it is. Actually, this is overvalued. This is crazy. They're just giving this away. There's so much sprues here. This is insane. This might be Games Workshop's best box set, period. Yeah, it has two separate armies, presumably the Sons of Horus and the Imperial Fists. Yeah, you can start two different armies with this thing. That's insane. And yeah, this has the value of like 2 combat patrols. Yeah, that's nuts. Compare this to the Black Templar release that they had earlier last year, and honestly there's no comparison. Oh, did I say last year? I think it's this year. Anyway, this is the tank, the new, what's it called? What's a Land Raider, I think. And then where's the Dread? Where's the Dread? Well, the Dread's here somewhere, the Dreadnought. Anyway, at the bottom of it, we have the actual, oh yeah, here is a poster of everything that it's included with. The Kratos heavy tank, oh, the Sicaran battle tank, and then the Rhino, sorry. And then the Dreadnought, that's crazy. Plus, we have what I am assuming, oh yeah, it says rulebook, of course. The rulebook, not just for Horus Heresy, but for the specific items, troops that comes in this box. Perfect. This is the best beginner kit for Warhammer, period. Now, obviously, Horus Heresy is a different game than 40k, so if you want to get into 40k, unfortunately, the only one you can really field would be the Dreadnought, and then the tank, the Kratos tank. I heard a new data slate got released. But otherwise, you're going to have to kit bash some things to field it. But yeah, that's about it really. Yeah, this thing is massive. Totally worth your while if you're a Warhammer fan. If you're on the fence about it regarding price, it is, as I said, a bang for your buck. But if that's not enough to convince you, or if you think it's a massive time sink, then unfortunately, this is not the right set for you. Despite the incredible, incredible value. This is insanity. I've never seen a deal like this from... Alright, thank you guys for watching. Just keep in mind, this will be released on Saturday, on the 18th of June. And yeah, these kits are incredible, and they're now in plastic. So yeah, just keep an eye out on sunwardhobbies.ca, Canada's largest hobby store.